Hi, this is John Brittle with the Infill Nashville team. The day after Halloween, it is November 1st. I'm at our new construction project on Caldwell Court in Nashville. This is our French door that was installed this week when they put the windows in. And this shows you what kind of straight line winds we had last night in Nashville. This door was blown in, and this manufactured door and all the brads or little nails or whatever you call those things just pulled right out. I believe we had 70-mile-an-hour winds blowing through here. That's just my opinion. Whatever they were strong. I hear we have buildings that have had windows blown out last night. I'm telling you, this is that kind of force. Y'all have a great day. Good morning.